Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm in the Peak District and come down with the crew. Got Craig, destination unknown van life. You got Chippy down here and you got John a bit further up. And Craig just called me over now. He's cooked, he had to cook all his chicken. So I don't know if it was, it all had to be cooked anyway. And what he's done, he's given me a couple of pieces there. So I've got some bread there. So thanks to Craig, I'm going to have some chicken butties. Oh my God, it's still hot. So yeah, I'm just going to let it cool a little bit. But oh, fantastic, mate. Thank you. So he's got slobbering. Yes, you can bug it off. It's my chicken. Yeah, in the Peak District. Left the ledge this morning and yeah, come down to the Peak District. So enjoy this one. Good morning from the Peak District. And it's just started bloody raining. It's only a shower, I'm hoping. But yeah, see the clouds up there, they're just grey. Where's the bloody blue sky gone? I don't know. Kettle's going to boil in a minute. Well, it's going to boil now, not in a minute, now. See Ian and Chippy? That angle looks wrong, doesn't it? Yeah, Craig's got a little bit of a problem with his batteries. His diesel heaters goes to start and it's saying it's low voltage. So Chippy's having a look at his wiring to see if it's correct. He's got solar coming in, everything's working, but his diesel heater won't switch on. Yeah. Didn't have to use it last week, did he? It's bloody 26 degrees. Yeah. She's can you see it? Yeah, I can see I had my first crap night's sleep in the van last night. Don't know what it was. 3:20 this morning. I'm still awake. So I got up at past 3. I got up about 8:30. So yeah, I've had about 5 hours. So should be alright. Not to worry, as they say. But yeah, don't know what it was. Oh, it's a beautiful day. I'll go for a walk in a bit probably, but it's going to get Craig's van, his heater sorted first, and then yeah, we're going to have a look somewhere. Oh. I got a few things out in the van and yeah, it's annoying, it looks untidy. It's not, but because there's stuff out on the worktops, it's yeah. Let's have a look at it. Bloody hell, what's that thing in the sky? Oh, there's a break in the rain now. It's ever so slightly now, but get rid of the toilet break. We're still here. Craig's been having problems with his solar and his diesel heater. So I think Craig's Chip's fixed it now, so it's bloody gone windy. Oh my God. She's like a bloody horse coming through, isn't she? Come on, you. Come. This is where we all are. Here. The mountains and hillsides. That's zoomed in. That's when it's past coming down here. The road's got a bit of an incline, so I've put my levelers on just to get the van a bit level, and it's worked out pretty well. Got the stile there, so we can go over into that field for Sage for a walk. So I normally park down there, so I've got that real estate there, and then she goes in this field here, but yeah, this one's just as good. Bloody super smashing great, you know what I mean? Oh. I'm going to get the dog out at the front of this car. Bloody bad with it. And I haven't done it for ages, so. This wind, bloody hellfire. But at least it's not raining. It is brightening up slowly, so yeah. Leave. Stay to that. Shut up. Twink. Twink. Go. You're knackered now. Hey. Oh. I don't know where to get another coffee. Going into Castleton. So, yeah. It's like a lad's holiday.
Wow. She's got some get up and go, hasn't she?
If she's let her off the lead, she does somersaults. And you know when she falls over...
You even got a smiley face. That's what Craig's heater. Oh, absolutely stuffed, man. Bloody hell. Now it's windy. Oh, dear. We're back now from the pub having a meal. Only had a couple of pints, so a couple of ciders. Oh, they didn't have the gammon steak though, so we had that steak and ale pie, and yeah, that was bloody tasty, to be honest. Where we were just past the gates, we've moved down this side of the gate now, on the real estate, where you got your own grassy area. The road and the path is that way, so all the walkers go that way. Barely anybody walks past you, your door. And Sage, this is where she jumps over the wall to go to the toilet, so I haven't even got to get out the van. I just say up and she's gone. Oh, but it's gone right miserable here in the peaks. It's raining, the wind. Yeah, hopefully it'll be better tomorrow, and yeah, we can do something. Go up, might even go up on the Lady Boa Reservoir and have a walk around that. Not the entire thing, I haven't got a week to spare. But yeah, go up and have a look. But yeah, what can you do with this type of weather? It's just, I know you can get wet and what have you, but takes the fun out of it, doesn't it? Because I'm not sure how waterproof my S23 Ultra. I don't know how waterproof they are, even if they are waterproof. So yeah, I don't want to wreck my phone as well. But yeah, I had a great meal in great company. Yeah, bloody great bunch of lads. So yeah, it's bloody great day, to be honest, but why isn't it sunny? Could be sat out there now in shorts, having a good chinwag with the lads. Yeah. Got the lights on now, all the thick heavy clouds have come over. It's raining like hell. It's been raining all afternoon. I've just come in now with a toilet break from her. Sage, come here. Yeah, it's a bit damp, isn't it? But what a miserable bloody day this is. Still got Craig in front of me, Chippy's behind me, and John's behind him. So, yeah. Had a pretty good afternoon though in the pub. Had a meal. So, yeah, we all had a good chin chat and what have you, so pretty good. But the last couple of hours have been confined to the vans, bar taking her out for a toilet break. But, oh, bloody crap it is. Fair dues to Craig, he's just come round all the vans now giving pizza out. He cooked a big massive pizza and he's still quite full from his dinner. So, yeah, he's just come round all the vans dishing it out to everybody. So, fair play, mate. Yeah, he gave me 2 big chicken pieces, chicken breasts yesterday, so I sliced them up and had chicken butties, and yeah, he's giving pizza out today. Oh, he's a good one. Oh. Ooh, do you know when you fancy a bit of chocolate? Right? Forgot I had that. I got it from the garage before I come down here yesterday. A few little knickknacks and yeah, I got that. It was me, you donut. Look, there's nobody there. What's it? What's this? What's it? What's it? What's it? See him off. What's it? There's no one there, come on. Yeah. Can you see him? Because I can't. She started talking now when she's growling. She goes rah 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 rah. She won't do it now the camera's up. It's bloody funny as hell. What's that? What's that? Watch him. What's that? Oh, she won't do it. You donut. You donut. Eh? Big thick jam donut. That's what you are. I'll just show you now what it's like outside. Stay there. Yeah, it's pretty bleak. Got Craig's van behind me. There's mine, of course, and then you got Chippy, and then you got John. But yeah, this bloody weather. Now you can't see the ridge of the mountains. It's all low mist. But yeah, it's no fun being out here. No fun at all. And yeah, sod it, I'm going back in. Oh, he tripped over a bloody ball then. Witch. Got my lights up, all LED. Yeah, that's what we're dealing with today. I got my diesel heater on because it is that cold. You wouldn't think it's the 1st of July. Dear me. So yeah, I got my diesel heater on, putting some warmth in here. 22.5 degrees in here now, so yeah, I might leave it on for about another hour and then turn it off. The van's pretty good insulated, and what heat's in here, it stays in for hours and hours, so it's pretty good that way. But yeah, great, isn't it? Everyone says, oh, you're living the dream. When it's nice weather, yes. But days like today, yeah, it doesn't feel like. But tomorrow is a brand new day, isn't it? Still give rain though. I don't know what it's give tomorrow, I haven't even looked. No. Don't care, do we go? No. You've got to do your walk, haven't you? Yes. And chuck you over the wall. Get on with it. Right, I'm going to chill out for a bit now. See what I might even see if there's any football on. If not, I'll put a film on my Vampire Diaries. I'm well into that. I got back into the originals as well, the Michelson's family. Yeah, very brilliant. Klaus Michelson. Yeah. So I might watch some of them. What do you reckon? She's been fed about an hour ago now, so she's settled. Yeah, got a full belly in there. Just on a toilet break. For Sage, not me. Oh dear me. It's starting to brighten up. And it's gone 8 o'clock. It's about 8:30, I think. See the blue skies up there. Oh dear. Just a breather as well. Get up in a bit of fresh air. There you go, girl. Oh, it's a wee. Oh, they're all minutes pass up there. Bloody awesome place. Well, we're going back now and watch the Portugal and Slovakia, is it? Slovenia, should say. Portugal and Slovenia. Yeah. Where's she? Come on. She's not bad. Good morning, Peak District. Got a fleece on as well, because Jesus Christ, yeah, it's bloody freezing. So, oh, she's having a wee. Good girl. I'm going to get her breakfast in a minute. I'll put a coffee on. And yeah, see what today brings. Toilets. Go on in. Up. Oh, you clever girl. Yes, you. Come. Down. Yeah, let's go and get some food for Sage. Yeah, you want food, don't you, girl? And tidy up here a bit. Yeah, Ian's on his way home now. He'll be going in a bit, but he's kindly donated all his water to me and Craig. So I'm completely full to the brim now. And yeah, Craig's doing his. Thank you very much, Ian.
Sound.
You can never pass up on water though, mate. Bloody hell.
It's just blown back on me, hasn't it?
Oh, is it?
All the way down.
I'll see you soon. You. I've got to go, mate. I've got to go and meet it. That's a funny hat you've got there.
Yeah, Ian's off now. So it's been a pleasure, mate. And yeah, we will meet up again real soon. So yeah, he's off now. Got a few things to do back at home, so yeah. Coach's gonna take his windmill off. Take care, mate. And it's just me and Craig. I'm gonna get a coffee. Got me coffee all settled now. And right guys, I'm gonna end this one here. And hope you all enjoyed it. And a rainy, crappy day in van life. But yeah, what's there to do? Just get wet, isn't it? So take care everybody, and thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, come on, press subscribe. Go on. And till the next video, guys, as always, be good, be safe, and just bloody enjoy yourselves. Take care, everyone. Bye for now. Bye.